Hello, today I want to demonstrate how to disassembly an Acer Aspire 5749. Start by removing the battery. If you have one, you have three little screw, one here, here and here of the battery. Four. My mistake, there are four screws on the battery. So one, two, three, and last of now I don't have much screw on the laptop, but you need to unscrew 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14, another 3 here, 17 20, yeah, 20 screw, 20 never mind, 20. So I only have 8 in laptop right now. So you actually need to unscrew all of this, and I'll show you what to do after you take them off. Okay, have 3 more here, and you pretty much need to take this case out, the bottom case. Okay, remove it, and here it is, the motherboard, 4 gig of RAM, and I need to change this SSD into a normal hard drive. Okay, take the SSD out, put the hard drive on, and I've completed my mission. Also, if you need to clean the CPU, you need to remove 1 2 3 and another one, one screw on the cooler, and this is all. After you clean this, and this is a thermal pad on that, you don't need to clean it. This, after you are clean this, you can put everything back. So I just needed to change the SSD to a hard drive, and this is all. Pretty simple and easy to access the components. You have to unscrew all the screw on this bottom case, and all the components are there. Hope you find this useful, and I will try to post more videos in the future. Thank you, and goodbye.